comes Siri.
Wait a second, Siri. Wait till we get here.
What did Santa bring?
Did Santa bring
Did Santa
something
come?
for you?
Did Santa come down?
What does that say?
Presents.
Well, look at that
What did he
big
bring?
thing. It says,
What is it?
To Siri from Santa. Nice.
Flannel shoes.
This is probably for
and
Eva.
a painting project.
Yeah.
Painting project.
Look at. Where's our camera?
Paintbrushes.
Mm-hmm.
And is this whole thing new?
Yeah.
Look at the other side. Look at the other side.
Chalkboard.
Nice.
What do you think?
Cute.
And it says, to Siri from Santa.
Aww.
He was here. Look at that. He drank all the milk.
Oh my gosh, did he like cookies?
And where does he go?
To the next house he went. To the next house. What?
Honey. You turn it on?
Siri, let me take a picture of you with your new board from Santa. Siri. Siri, stand up by your board so I can get a picture of you. The kids. Hey, so Kate,